Still love them, cause the good book talk. 72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive, forgive, forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just betray your own spirit and go. Oh, love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases.
Forgive. Forgive. Forgive.
Now, yeah, Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you but still love them. Cause the good book talk. 72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go.
Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone had a great night. All right, just give me a second here, guys. That's good, Zoom. What's good, Nicholas? You hope he does not take off without us. I agree. All right. Um, as of right now, I am pretty much anticipating buys. But it is looking like this might go without us because we already retested this 30-minute demand here, and that demand broke a high. We'll see if we're gonna retest that again. And if we keep going and we'll wait to see how price react at that resistance or this 15-minute supply right here. So we'll see what happens. We got red full there. We got PMI at 845. That's in like 40 minutes from now. Actually, 30 minutes from now. So while we're waiting here, I am gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back. Um, right, we need volume here. NY opens in 9 minutes. How you doing, Nick? Praying for 5K today. Who knows? We might get there today. Just might get to 5K. I wanted to take this sale right here at candle yesterday, pretty much at midnight my time. And then I was like, okay, you know what? For more confirmation, I'm gonna just wait for the retest of the 15-minute supply or a 30-minute supply up there, and I'm gonna just take it. And yeah, I missed it. Would have been a beautiful sale. 500 ticks. That definitely would have given me 2 to 1. It's Ricky Friday doing sellers showing their teeth. Yeah, they're always gonna show their teeth. Go to 5K silver 200 this year. It's possible. Oh, gold is definitely gonna get to 5,000 this year. At least it should. It'd be crazy if we have a sell off from this high, not 49.70. Yeah. You missed me yesterday. Yeah, I just couldn't trade yesterday. But I'm here today. Only seeing gold go to 3 to 4.5 if it continues to drop, nothing less than those numbers. I'm looking at possibly this 30-minute demand or the 1 hour demand. Now, as of right now, this low, right, that the 30-minute demand created has not been able to break the high. So there's a chance we could come down. If we retest this 30-minute demand, it will still be good for buys. But I hope if it is 1 hour demand for us to have a bullish continuation, potentially back up to the highs. I will use this 15-minute supply here. However, even though this 15-minute supply actually closed below the minor low of the range, this and that right there at 49.32.6, we were able to close. Actually, it's going to be this. Since we have it on the 1 hour, it's going to be 49.38. Since we were able to close below that, right? However, we could not break and close below the major low of this range between 49.70 and 49.09. So I'm not using that 15-minute supply. I would rather use this 15-minute supply here because that's the origin of the move. So we'll see what happens if we are going to get all the way to that supply or if we're going to get a pullback. Just a quick question. If I were taking sell trade, where would be my entry? I gotta wait for 15-minute candle to pretty much reject the supply. And like I said, I'll prefer to sell from the rejection of this 15-minute supply. So for now, I am looking for buys. If you look at this major range low here at 49.09, say, oh, but looks like the 15-minute candle closed below it. But if I move this rectangle tool here and you take a look at this crazy bearish engulfing candle here, this candle's got a lot of volume in it. You see that candle at 49.02. Once we rejected 49.02 first, we went back up, created a minor resistance. Right, we created a minor resistance at 49.27, Now, once we created the low minor resistance, we came down. That minor high was unable to break the previous candle, right? Signifying a rejection on the higher time frame. Now we went all the way back up. We closed above it here on the 15, came back down. Now we went all the way back up to close above it nicely. So I am pretty much anticipating buys here for now. So we'll see how we react to that demand. And on the 1 hour, clearly we did not close below. 30-minute is pretty much the same thing. Not a clean closure. We could also decide to reject this 1 hour demand instead, but I'll prefer to use the 30. Does it make sense now, LRS? Red news in 13 minutes. Yeah, we got red folder. I am good. Zoom, was anybody able to take the sale down in, I guess, pre-London? And if not the sale, London, okay, nice. Yeah, we were looking at that lows though in Asia session yesterday to buy. Mm. Yeah. Yep. But if this had happened while we was on stream, I would have taken it. Not taking this else. This right here. Mm. Hey, I'm good. I'm good, Tarot. I'm good. expected in NY open to just push price down, but I guess not. Yeah, yeah. But maybe wait for the push price down, possibly. I think, is it possible to hit 5K today? I mean, all I can say is anything is possible, but with the volume we have right now, I doubt it. But anything is possible. But first, of course, we got to break 49.70 first. Am I favoring sales from the high? Not really. I'm not really favoring sales from the high. I'm just saying it is a possibility because this high actually broke a low, right? So, of course, this resistance is the origin of the move, and we had our first continuation um, here because that ended up breaking the lows, minor lows, and we had another continuation here because it also ended up breaking the lows. So that's what I'm saying. There is a chance we could reject, but I'm not favoring sales. Now, if the highs, right, was able to break and close below the 1 hour major range low strongly, then I will favor the sales. But of course, it's going to be short term sales because as of right now, overall gold is still bullish. Yeah, so I'm not really favoring sales. Me? Kiddo B saying I'm selling the lows? Oh, you're talking Dubai. You trolling? Okay. Um, took small risk by expecting this to keep pushing. You at break even. 0.01 on Forex. It's been a mini. That's funny. We didn't take that many trades this week. So this week started on this week started on the um, This week started on the 19th. Whoa. We've only had 3 trades this week. 2 wins and 1 loss. Yeah. And I didn't trade yesterday. I'm like, damn, I would have taken a buy. I saw it set up that I would have taken. Down in New York, that is. Getting futures in February. All right, nice, nice. Come join the futures team, Nicholas. You should. I've been telling you forever. Yeah, they have futures, so yeah. If you get Alpha futures, are you gonna take the entries on TradeOvate or TradingView? Yeah, that's what I do. Even though like I freaking show in TradingView, like the entries actually I take them on TradingView, and of course it shows here. Yeah, but it's connected to TradeOvate. Yeah, I will use Project X with Top Step, but I prefer TradingView. Yeah, and then yeah, that's why I don't use TradeOvate. If not, I'll just completely use TradeOvate, but it's not good for chat markups. If they can work on that, man, they'll be the #1 futures broker. Yeah, like it's like none of the futures brokers, none of their platform is like good for chat markups. None of them. It's like they just want you to use indicators. That's really weird, isn't it? None of them is good for chat markups. TradeOvate, Ninja Trader, Interactive Brokers, uh, Tasty Trade is not good either. Uh, I can't remember all of them from the top of my head right now, but none of them is good for chat markups. Nah, when it comes to chat markups, oh yeah, they're #1. Because trading view money comes from subscriptions. Needs to be number one. I mean, in trading views defense, you don't need a subscription to mark up your charts. Is that part is free. If I wasn't streaming, I would not have the subscription at all because I don't need it. Brokers get their money from losers. They sure do. I like to see 1 minute, 30-minute plus 4 hour on one screen. You can just get like a 49-inch monitor. That should do the trick. Oh, you mean split up the chat? Yeah, you can. But you're gonna need subscription for that one. That's probably what you're talking about. Yeah. Oh man. All right, nothing happened with the news. So we're selling the high or no? Possibly. We're getting close to this 15-minute supply though. But I am going to need extra confirmation before I sell. We'll see. Start off with that 30-minute supply. We are going to call this in 1 hour major range, low of this range. Where's Wall? Man, I've sent him a message. He has not replied me. He hasn't been active in Discord either. He hasn't been active in Discord. I should free a while. You also have a 1 hour supply here. It's not the best, but it is there. See if we can tap that 5-minute supply again. Now I'm gonna have a sell stop right there. See if price can tap that 15 minutes up. I mean that 5-minute supply. We're looking at 220 stop loss here, guys. Gold is volatile. Should be in it. Mhm. Mhm. Oh shit. You know, you said emotions are irrelevant, but that doesn't makes you feel a certain way. I know. Mm-mm. All right. No need for that 5 minute supply anymore. If we fail to break that 49.57.3, pretty much where that previous candle rejected, we should fall. I get the confirmation I need to sell. I got it on the 5, so I am using this previous candle. If we keep failing to break and close above it, then we should fall. That minor resistance we created on the 5 minute. If we close above 49.57.3, then we are gonna have to wait for the 15-minute supply and wait for another confirmation before we take sales. This candle closes in 2 minutes. Possibly move the envy over here. Would be 200 at that point. All right. Um, let's see if we're gonna get activated here. What's going on YouTube? You guys are quiet today. They're probably in drawdown. Oh, they're in already. Why? Because we're waiting for the entry. It's getting close. All right, we are officially in this cell. I'm actually surprised he just kissed it and we got activated. Okay. Sometimes that does not happen. As long as we do not break above 4957.3, then we should fall. Really want the market to take profit for the end of the week, and it's gonna dump hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom while we're waiting. I'll be right back. Nope, I can't leave yet. We're still not falling. You really hope that 5-minute engulfing is a trap for buyers. I hope so too. Let's see if sellers can absorb it. At 11 a.m., we'll know our fate, so you must be Eastern Standard Time. That is in 23 minutes. You entered at 49.48.79 on Forex right now. My entry is your BE. Oh, okay. Took buys. Now that we're back at this high again, 5-minute candle is about to close. We'll see what happens. Looks very bullish. Yeah, I mean, gold is still bullish overall. I think next week is the last week in January. Hopefully next week is going to be better volume wise. Okay. Right, we rejected that high one to just twice, and now looks like we are going to break it, and we do not want to see that. That's the new 5 minute breaking that high. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. All right. If we get past this support, I think we'll fly. We got to break 94.70. All right. See you next week. Now we are reacting to the 15-minute supply. Hmm. Hmm. Especially when you do not have volume like this. Alrighty, well, that is that. All right, that is it. So that is a loss. Alrighty, we go again next week. January has not been. I mean, it's been a good month, not bad. So see what happens next week. Next week is the last week of January. Hopefully, we have good volume next week. All right, guys. I will see you guys next week. Zoom. I will see you guys tomorrow for our webinar. Go to the other hand right now. I don't think this is going to break the highs because the fact that we do not have volume and we're not even retracing. Yeah, I think they just wanna let this keep going to the moon here. So God bless everyone. See you guys next week. I'm out. Peace. All right.
Yeah, about K again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know loving Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love the truth.
When love the truth. Forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know if you sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it live?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love the truth. When love the truth. you love